cops not supposed to let anybody in. I mean, it's you, it's okay.
Cops ain't gonna protect you. Mom is looking for you.
Yes. I know. Where the fuck have you been?
Never give up your friends. You see the shit that I'm in? I've been in Norwalk's office, I heard the tape, Dave. Cops ain't gonna protect you, I served that righteous code in 8 days.
Adios, counselor.
You got a beautiful future, Steffi moved on. Mo wet brute in the hookah. Me, I'm low-key, same shit I've been used to. No guns behind the pillow, go to reach and they shoot ya. Partners went against me, now they revolvers is empty. I thought he loved me, I'm sure I'll play a part in his memory. Send him Marvin, you did what for me? I beg your pardon, homie, I'm just getting started after your departure. Peaceful, who at the door? That's Eto Brigante. After this, it shouldn't been a sequel. Lights out, hospital busy. I'm walking right out, see you. They ain't see your story at the Regal. All that coke we snorted, them days were lovely. I put my life in your hands when the Fed and state judged me. I never took from no one. Who gonna take from me? Nobody, that's who. Surely your face bloody. I'm wiping my hands. If you wasn't in that bed, I'll leave you right where you stand. Yo. I'm wiping my hands. If you wasn't in that bed, I'll leave you right where you stand. Yo.